Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I'm super excited to share with you these amazing molds by Molds and Shape, their Halloween collection, and I was so happy when they released these molds. So I got this one. This is a witch and a cat, best friends forever. And then I got these bottles, and yeah, I have so many ideas for them. I was so happy when I saw them making these bottles. There are so many options, and can you see this one? It is perfect for a Halloween potion bottle or anything you want to make. So there are a lot of more molds they have released for their Halloween. So let's start with this one today. Yeah, it is a bit early for the Halloween, but yeah, it's never too late. And what I'm doing here is that I am filling this because there is a space. So I'm filling this with black resin, and I will be filling this witch, and then I will be filling the cat and then some bats with this black resin. So it took me some time. It was actually really fun to do that, but I just sped up the process so you don't get bored. So this is what I'm doing here. For the spaces that are a bit and tiny, I used a toothpick, but I was really careful because I don't want to damage my mold. So when I was making that, this was the first one, you can say first idea that came to me, and later on now I am, flooding with ideas that I can do with this mold. So hopefully I will be making more. I was so eager to try this mold, and I wanted to keep it a bit simple, but you will see how this one turned out. So I just waited for my resin to get a bit thick. So after that I start filling up, because if it's going to be a very low viscosity flowing resin, then it's difficult and it will be start moving here and there. So just make sure that it is a bit on the thicker side. So I'm done with the black part, and then I will leave this part to cure, and then we will be doing the second layer. So stay tuned. So next day, and my first layer is cured. For the second layer, I want it to be a sort of, you can say, a white, but not so white, and then some sort of black, you can say a sort of marbling, but yeah, so it's going to be a different sort of look here. And then I added a little bit of golden alcohol ink, and then mixed it into the resin, and then I have mixed everything. So it's going to be a, you can see, sort of foggy look, because I really want the main features to enhance. So after doing this, I'm going to leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. This is the next day. I am so excited to demold, and I can already see everything. Hopefully this comes out as I am thinking about it. And you can see the little bit of gold that I added. It is showing just tiny bit here and there, and I'm really happy with that. So loving the design concept of this one. I have a lot of molds from Molds and Shape, and they always are unique. So here is our mold, and this is how this one turned out. Wow, I just love it. You can leave it like that. I'm going to add a little bit of finishing touches to this one. But yeah, I love the background. I was looking for this one, not so white, not so black, just in between, with the help of a little bit of gold. And now I will be using a little bit of Gilding Glue onto some spaces. Now I'm just looking at this one, so I am thinking that I can keep it simple like that. So as I've explained, that I'm going to use Gilding Glue on the moon area and then on the outer edges. So later on then I decided not to do the moon with the Gilding Glue. I used a brass alcohol ink and I just painted it. And for my gilding glue, I applied it on the edges and then I left it to dry for a day. And here I'm just showing you, and then I will be doing this, all the details. So as you can see that the whiter part, it is the gilding glue. And now for the moon, I decided that I'm going to use the brass alcohol ink by Pinata. So this is how I will be doing it, because it has a very lovely sort of old gold style. So I want to differentiate the moon and the outer edge. So that's why I'm doing a little bit of different tones of gold here. So then I will be filling this up now. So my moon is done now, and now I will be taking out my gold foil and I will be applying on the edges. And after that, with the soft brush, I will be wiping the extra gold foil. So this is going to be the final step, and after doing that I will be removing the excess gold foil with the help of the brush, and now we will see the final result. Let's see how this one's turned out. So this is the final look. I was really impressed with the mold itself, so I made this a bit simple, but it's unique and I just wanted to do justice with this mold. So I will link everything in my description, the mold, and this mold is from Molds and Shape and all the other molds. So I hope you like today's video, and if you have any suggestions, do let me know, because I'm going to make, I think, few more of these with different styles. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye.